Welcome to Math Talk 23. Today we are going to learn the between numbers. See the first one, 4, 6. So what will the between number? 4 after 4, 5. So the between number is 5. Next one, 11, 13. So nadula enna number irukum? 11 after 12. So where is 12 here? Here. So 12, 11, 12, 13. Next one is 8. So 8, 10. What is the between number? After 8, 9. Next one, 3. Next number is 4, 5. So where is 4? Here. Next card is 6, 8. What is the between number? 6, 7. 6, 7, 8. Next card is 18. 18, 20. So 18 after 19. The next card is 9, 10, 11. So where is 10 here? Yeah. Next card is 13 dash 15. So after 13, 14. So 13, 14, 15. Next card is 19. After 19, 20. So 19, 20, 21. Next card is 14, 16. What is the between number? 14, 15. Try this activity at home. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you all.